about. Don't say too much, keep a lock mouth. If they ask, we don't know what they talking about. We was just vibing.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girls Twin Goddesses and I'm Alicia, and I am back with a super cute summertime find unit featuring hermosahair.com. So if you guys are interested in this unit or anything that I'm going to be showing you throughout the video, definitely check down below in the description bar where everything's going to be linked. But this time around I did pick up Hermosa Hair's 28-inch 360 water wave lace front unit. So you guys can see this unit is ready to wear. That lace is pre-cut, the knots are bleached, the hairline is tweezed, clear HD lace, and you guys can see all of the amount of parting space that you do get. But what I love about this unit is the invisible straps. This unit does come with this clear invisible strap, making it so you do not have to adhere the back of your unit down. This lace will lay flat up against the back of your head, making it very beginner friendly. But as you can see, this is the way my unit came directly out of the box. I'm going to be doing some really quick styling with this one. I like to take a little bit of my gel and apply that along the front hairline just to make everything nice and smooth and neat. I'm also opting for some baby hairs with this one, so I'm just taking out a bit of the hair, as you guys can see, and then I like to take my elastic band just to lay the front down. I really like to do that. It just makes it very neat. And I'm going to do the same thing to the back of the hair, just so when I put the hair up, I don't have to brush it later. It's already going to be smooth and ready to wear. I also took a bit of the baby hairs on the back of the hair out for later. But as far as styling the unit, I want to go for a wash and go. So I'm just taking my unbrush and detangling the entire wig. I'm also going to saturate the hair with a lot of water so we can get those waves to pop. And I like to use my pop lock gel just to apply to the hair. You can use any styler you choose, but I do recommend this one. It makes the hair so curly. Again, I'm just going to go through the hair, wet it really well, apply some of that pop lock gel, and pretty much go through the hair using small sections with my curl defining brush to get those curls to clump. And once I am done doing this, I'll be back tomorrow to show you guys my results. Stay tuned.
I just wanna ball. What happened to a little ups? I do not recall. Can be sliding down the block, see me riding clean, but I don't pop out very often, this is sight to see. I got a whole lot of motion, I keep my pockets green. I get it cracking, that's the actor, you know how it be. Pull up, hop out. We be doing things that we don't talk about. Don't say too much, keep a lock mouth. If they ask, we don't know what they talking about. We was just vibing, we was just vibing.
Okay, so it is the next day and you guys can see those curls are popping, but let's get back into this unit. Again, the lace is pre-cut. The length on this one is 28 inches. It is a glueless unit, so it does have this strap on the inside as well as those invisible straps, so you guys don't have to adhere the back down. I'm gonna go ahead and get the unit on. You guys can see just how simple that was. I didn't have to do much work after styling the hair. That is what the hairline is looking like. You can kind of see a little bit of that lace, but it's not too bad. But I will show you guys what I do to fix it later. This lace lays extremely flat, so you don't have to adhere it if you choose not to. But now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what that 360 is looking like. So what you want to do is grab a hold of that invisible strap and pull on the tightener. That will go and tighten up the back so you don't have to adhere it down, and it lays very flat. I love this concept. I think the most difficult part is making sure those invisible straps stays inside of the unit. Other than that, everything is super simple. I give it an A+. But what I'm going to do now is adhere the front of my unit down. Like I mentioned to you before, this is a glueless, so you don't have to adhere it down. I know a lot of you have been talking about your skin is sensitive, you don't like anything on it. So you don't have to adhere this down, but I choose to because I'm going to be putting it up in some styles and I don't want it to slip back. So I just went ahead and applied my Got2b spray and blew dry that down. I'm also going to cut down those baby hairs for styling a little later. And to make that lace blend in seamlessly, I just apply some of my lace tinted spray to the front hairline, as well as top it off with a bit of my foundation powder. For styling those baby hairs, I take a little bit of my mousse and just kind of do a bit of a swoop. This is completely optional. I know a lot of you guys don't like this, but I just kind of wanted to do something a little bit different this time around. And to set it, I take that same elastic band and apply it to the front of the hair and just blow dry that down. And while that's sitting, I'm just gonna go and take my hot comb to flatten up the top of the unit. And now let's see how that hairline is looking. Those baby hairs were plastered down, so I did soften them up a bit. I am also going to take a bit of my concealer just to define that parting space in the middle. And this is what my install is looking like. You can see the hairline as well as the baby hairs. These are those gorgeous curls I was actually able to create. Again, the length on this one is 28 inches. I am 5'8". That's where it falls on me. You guys can pretty much put the hair behind your ear and the hairline looks really good. Again, that's where the hair falls on me, and the density is, I believe, 180%. So it's very natural and very soft. But what I'm going to do here is throw this unit in some styles. This is a 360, so you can wear it up, you can wear it down, you can wear it in the side part, middle part. Let me know how you are going to wear yours because I mean, I need some ideas, okay? But yeah, let me know how you guys plan on wearing your 360.
If they ask, we don't know what they talking about. We was just vibing, 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 we was just. Is you picking up what I'm putting down? They like cut on your back with another song. All for the love of the game, I just wanna ball. What happened to a little ups? I do not recall. Can be sliding down the block, see me riding clean. But I don't pop out very often, this is sight to see. I got a whole lot of motion, I keep my pockets green. I get it cracking, that's the actor, you know how it be. Pull up, hop out. We be doing things that we don't talk about. Don't say too much, keep a lock mouth. If they ask, we don't know what they talking about. We was just vibing, we was just vibing, we was just vibing, we was just vibing, we was just vibing.
Again, y'all, this unit comes from hermosahair.com. This is their invisible strap 360 water wave unit, 28 inches, 180% density. Y'all, I am loving this. I say this is an A1. Let me know what you guys think of it, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
I'ma keep on cooking for forever, yeah. Pull up, hop out. We be doing things that we don't talk about. Don't say too much, keep a lock mouth.